Hello from House of Gems. Today we are going to learn how to make easy 7-day jewelry. Our products of the day are these beautiful sterling silver ball and ear wires and our dazzling sterling silver charms. Alrighty, let's get to it. So first, you're going to grab one of your ear wires, like so. And I like to use my chain nose pliers so I can hold on to the wire nice and tight so it won't go anywhere. And then our first charm is going to be our star charm. And all you really need to do is enter the loop into the ball end, get it nice and close to the side, and you have your first little star earring. And then to remove it, all you need to do is again grab your chain nose pliers, pull it to the side, and voila, it's that easy. And you can just use your hands, no need for a tool. I just like it because I like to hold on to it a little bit tighter. And for this one, you see how the hole is approximately the same size as the end, so they're not going to fit. For this one, you're going to put through the other end, like so, and follow it to the front, and voila. Super easy. To take it off, it's even easier. Just pull it out, and there you are. That was the tutorial. I hope you had fun making your easy 7-day jewelry. It's super easy. All you need is a pair of ear wires and some charms. We'll see you next time.